Welcome to YRC Freight. This call may be recorded for quality purposes.
Hey, I have a freight shipment coming in today, and I'm not sure if I need to contact the shipper to schedule a drop-off time.
Okay, and your name?
My name is Devin.
Hi, you've reached the desk of Cindy Cross. I am unavailable right now. Please leave me a message and I'll return your call.
Hey, I was just speaking to someone over at YRC, and they transferred me over to you. So if you give me a call back, my name is Devin. Thank you. Wow, that was odd. She didn't even say anything. She just transferred me. All right, well, sheesh. Today's a big day. Hopefully it happens today, okay? We're finally getting the 2-post lift in today for the shop. This is something I've been wanting for a very long time now, and I'm trying to get a hold of the freight company that shipped it from Seattle to here to see like if I need a forklift to unload it, when it's gonna show up, and all that good stuff. So as soon as they call me back, we'll get started with that. I changed my mind, all right? Instead of putting the lift here, because I'm always like pulling cars in and out, and I feel like it might be kind of in the way. And usually when a car comes on the lift, it's gonna need extensive work. So I think I'm gonna put the lift right where the M3 is at. And it's gonna be sick because when we're not using a lift to like work on cars, we can just lift the car up way up in the air, have a lift, or have a car up in the lift, and then have a car under it for storage. So technically we can buy another car now. So that's pretty sick. Hello?
Hi, is this Doug? Is that what you said your name was?
This is Devin.
Be sometime between 9 and 5. That's your hours.
Do I need a forklift to unload that?
Yeah, you probably will. It's 1,450 pounds.
Ooh, that's a big old boy. Sounds good. So any time between now and 5?
Well, it won't be today because it didn't go out today. So it looks like it's still here at the terminal. They just got it on a trailer that didn't get unloaded yet.
Sounds good.
All right.
All right, thank you.
Thanks, Devin.
Bye. I'm so sad. I really want my lift. There's gotta be a way to go get it today. I'll figure it out. It's too big to fit in the back of the truck, I'm pretty sure. It'd be poopy to drive down there and then not be able to get it. In the meantime, I'll eat a protein bar. Back to my little lunch. Such a little schoolboy. Hello?
Hey, how you doing? This is Rick with YRC Freight. How you doing this morning?
Hey man, I'm good. How are you?
Real good. Hey, we've got a car lift.
Yep.
Came in. We were going to try and deliver it to you today, but we wanted to call and make sure you guys had a forklift or some way to get this thing offloaded.
I don't have a forklift now, but I was gonna go drive around, and if I need to rent one, I'll rent one. But I live in a big industrial area, so I'm sure there's a place around here I could borrow one from. What time are you thinking of coming by?
Well, I think he was planning on you being his first stop because he's going to load it right on the very tail.
Okay, so
So he's probably getting ready to take off out of here in the next, 20 minutes or so.
I'm gonna go try to find a forklift right now, and do you want me to call you back, or?
Let me ask you this. Would tomorrow be a better day? Try and track down a forklift so you've got it there.
I was really trying to grab that thing today.
He'll load it up and get it out there.
All right. Keys. I don't know where my keys are. Bro, anxiety's pumping right now. There's a place right down the road that had one. Do not interest people not do business with anyone who cannot read. Do they not want me to freaking talk to them? I just want a forklift, damn it. There's gotta be someone here. If not, bro, we're gonna have to like somehow. We have 30 minutes to get it off the truck. That's what the shipping or the tracking said. There's one literally right there for sure. Oh yeah, bro. That is cool shit. And he's got a WRX out front. We got a can't talk. Hello? I don't know what I'm saying, but we got a freaking little guy. See, bro, we just manifested the shit out of a forklift. That's how it's done. So I want to do a burnout. Hell yeah, I'm gonna do a burnout. Okay, we got 9 minutes to get this video up. What am I title of this video? She built, she's done. Perfect. I don't have time to figure something out better. All right, so yeah, the lift's gonna go over here somewhere. So basically, I'm just gonna pull out a few cars, get them outside so the forklift boy don't run into them. And then, yeah, hopefully we can get up today. I've never installed a lift, so I don't know how like technical it is. But either way, we can get it in the shop and just, I can say I have a lift. Okay, I'm just gonna clean up, pull out some whips. All right, this gives us a good opportunity to do a little bit of cleaning because the semi truck's not here yet, so. Call Austin Niemela.
Calling Austin Niemela home.
Farewell. Let me get on, wait, casting couches vibe. Yo. I need your help, bro.
What?
With this lift.
Did you get it?
No, but it's gonna show up in about 2 minutes. I need your ass here to show me how to do it.
I've never talked to him.
I know, but you have common sense about this kind of shit and I don't.
I'll run down there a bit.
All right, I'll see you in a bit. He hates helping me. I call him every day for help. Help me with this. Well, I'm gonna do research, I guess. Dude, I wish I knew someone that just threw one up, so it'd be like 2 minutes, like bam, 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 done. Throw my Evo on there and drop the engine out because I want to. It'd be so fun. Full motor on the lift. Oh, big old boy. Bro, I don't know if those things are long enough. It might just tip off. I'll let the operators deal with it. You got a piece of wood to put over the top of this or something? Yeah, I'm sure. There you go. Perfect. Thank you, man. Have a good day. You as well. After 4 whole years of jacking up cars.
Bro, this is big.
This is a big old boy. Almost as good as a blue moon, but she'll work for now. Damn. I'm so stoked right now. Yeah, dude, you look like this. This lift was sponsored to us by A+ Lifts. I'll have a link down in the description box below. First link down below. This is the 10,000 pound 2-poster. And I'll lift my truck here and there with it, and it's definitely capable of lifting the Duramax, but 99.9% of the stuff we're gonna lift with it is probably gonna be blown up Evos, because I like to buy blown up Evos. Big thank you to A+ Lifts for sending this out to us. Let's get this thing torn open, and then we do need to find an electrician as well to wire it all the way to the panel, which is on the right wall. So, damn, let's just do it. This is sick, bro.
Wrap chain right around here, and that side's light.
All right, here's what we're gonna do, boys. We're gonna unbolt it. Austin had a good idea with the engine hoist, so we're gonna get that out. And we're gonna lift this thing offset on the ground. Bottom, we could probably just unbolt it, let it fall on the ground. And then we need to go get some supplies. We need a drill hammer, right?
We got all your bolts?
Yeah, these guys are right. So here's kind of the situation, what we're gonna do. We're gonna measure some stuff out, okay? We're gonna set both of them up. We're gonna drill some holes, pound the bolts in there, tighten the bolts down, and lift up some cars. Sick.
Are you trying to make it so are you able to park a car on that side of it?
Yeah, 134. You're not gonna fit in that car.
That's what I'm saying, you're not gonna be able to fit in there. You might as well just center it between this whole section in here.
There's no way. Okay, it's a little bit bigger than I thought. So my original plan was to have it on the right so we could fit a car here, but this thing requires so much space. Now we're gonna center it in, which I guess I could put a car under it, right? Should have just bought a 1 post. All right, so the first thing we're gonna do, guys, these right here that are slid up there, those are the extensions. So we're gonna slide those all the way to the top, get them bolted down, nice and tight, whatever. And then we can stand up the 2 posts over where we have everything marked out. That's a game changer 101. All right, we got the posts up. I think the next thing we need to do is get that upper crossbar situated, and then from there, I think we're gonna drill the concrete. Everything's all measured out, but of course we're gonna measure like 80,000 more times before we actually drill. So those are the two main things we need to do now. And then I'm gonna go run around. Well, we're gonna get a ladder, another ladder to get the thing up there. And we need to find an electrician that can wire, because this is commercial and I'm not allowed to do it myself. The electrician said they're gonna swing by later, check it out, let me know what they can do. Got to Home Depot, we're gonna rent the drill hammer drill, whatever you want to call it, and a ladder, and the bit, head back to the shop and get this done. Gotta be done today.
Bro, big fan, man.
Thank you, I
Hey,
appreciate
keep
it.
doing you.
Thank you, man. Appreciate
Yep,
it.
no problem.
Okay, got the drill. Gonna go pick up the hammer now. I mean the ladder. Right now we're assembling this the top cross brace. We got a giant ladder and we're gonna climb up that thing and bolt it up. Yep. Kind of scary part, the part that you can't undo. We're gonna drill this gosh darn concrete. Well, let's make sure it's lined up perfectly, straight, square. We're gonna send it, boys. Never done this before. Oh. That's kind of cool. Hell yeah. We got 2 bolts in, 1 on each side. We're gonna sneeze first, sneeze out some concrete, maybe not, and then measure. We're gonna remeasure it, make sure we're good to go. All the bolts are in, and now we're gonna torque them down. So A+ lift wants us to go to 125 foot-pounds. Perfect, let's get it. That's pretty tight. The lift is done. Just kidding, not even close. It's up though. The sturdy part's done. I feel like the hard part is done. Now it's just like little tedious stuff. Like, for example, putting these arms on. I do want to get that motor off the ground. What do we have left? We have a cutoff switch that goes at the top. That was a good one. Hydraulic lines. Okay, electrical, okay, nice. I cut myself daily. We got a little car in here. That's pretty cool. Kind of get a rough idea of what's going on. I think the next move is well, Jared's been reading the manual and he says we have to lift this guy up. This big old boy right here. Gotta lift it up and it's gonna like kind of set into something, but we gotta pull these up first. Boys and girls of the channel, here's what we're gonna do. We're gonna install our extension piece. So this right here threads into the bottom of the cylinder, which connects to this super long hydraulic line. There are 2 hydraulic lines, a short one, long one. The long one runs from this pole all the way up and over to the controls on that one. And then there's 1 T, and that T piece goes on the unit. So before I connect it on the bottom down there, I'm gonna run it through some tabs on the side here. So it has an O-ring on the end right there. It's a little taper fitting with a nice little O-ring. So we do not use any thread sealer on any of this stuff. T-fitting, tighten that later. Technically, we're about 89% done. We have a big old hydraulic line to run up and over, just back up the Duramax, throw a ladder in the back. And then we have the 2 cables to run up and over, also very simple, back to the Duramax, bam. We got the truck in here, as you can see, with my nice little 6-foot ladder. Now Jared is gonna hand me some stuff and I'm gonna run it over, as long as I don't fall. Ah! 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 Bruh, I'm scared. No, I'm just playing. Actually, I'm kind of scared. Every single thing that we can do to the lift is complete. Actually, you know what, we could put hydraulic fluid in there, but we'll do that later. All the cables are ran, the hydraulic hoses ran, we're done. The last thing we need to do is have an electrician come out. And with that being said, I called like 20 electricians this morning, and I could not find anyone that could do it relatively soon. So if anyone on here is in Spokane, you have to be licensed to do like commercial stuff. But if you're in Spokane, Coeur d'Alene area and you want to help a brother out so I can lift some stuff up, you know, shoot me a DM on Instagram. Huge shout out to A+ Lifts for setting this over for the shop. I'll have them linked first link down in the description box below. If you guys are stoked on the lift, hit that thumbs up button, drop a comment down below, let me know what you think. Peace out, and I'll see you guys when we can get some electrical work done.